Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Gravitation. It's chapter 5 from your textbook. Students, in this chapter, you are going to study about Newton's law of gravitation. You will be able to explain that how gravitational forces are consistent with Newton's third law. You will learn gravitational field as an example of field of force. You will be able to distinguish between weight and mass. You will be able to calculate the mass of Earth by using law of gravitation, and you will be able to solve problems using Newton's law of gravitation. Students, before going into the detail of this chapter, that is gravitation, let us have some introduction about the four fundamental forces in nature. Students, there are four fundamental forces in nature, that are gravitational force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, and strong nuclear force. In this chapter, we are going to study in detail about the first force, that is gravitational force. Gravitation is the force of attraction between two objects in the universe. Gravitation may be the attraction of objects by the earth, or maybe the attraction between objects in outer space. For example, let us consider the attraction of objects by the earth. If a body or a ball is dropped from a certain height, it falls downwards due to Earth's gravity. And you know from second chapter that it will fall at a constant rate. Acceleration due to gravity is constant and its value is 9.8 meter per second square. Similarly, if a body is thrown upwards, it reaches a certain height and then falls downwards due to Earth's gravity. Students, as I have discussed earlier, that gravitation may be the attraction between objects in outer space. For example, attraction between Earth and Moon, and attraction between Sun and planets. And gravitation also prevents planets from losing their atmosphere. Gravitation binds galaxies together for billions of years. Students, one thing you have to understand, that there is a difference between gravitation and gravity. This difference is very small, but you have to consider this difference, and that is gravitation is the force of attraction acting between any two bodies of the universe, like we have discussed in the previous slide about the attraction between sun and other planets, or the attraction between galaxies, or the attraction between earth and moon. But gravity is the earth's gravitational pull, or earth's attraction on a body lying on near the surface of earth.